Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
GM's plans to launch an all-electric vehicle, EV, factory at its retooled Orion plant in Michigan just took a dramatic turn. The auto giant has announced that it won't be opening the facility as an all-EV factory after all. It seems GM had initially envisioned this state-of-the-art plant, valued at around $2.3 billion, to cater exclusively to EV production. However, with changing market conditions and shifts in consumer demand, the company has decided to adapt its strategy. According to a recent earnings report from General Motors, the first quarter net income slipped 6.6% to $2.8 billion, while revenue rose by 2.3% to $44 billion. While this doesn't necessarily reveal details about GM's EV production plans, it does give us an idea of how the company is navigating these uncertain times. The Orion plant itself has been revamped with a new generation of manufacturing technology. Once set to be the crown jewel of GM's electric vehicle production capabilities, its fate now hangs in the balance. While we can't know for certain what the future holds, it's clear that GM's plans have undergone significant revisions. As the auto industry continues to evolve and adapt to changing market conditions, one thing remains constant: our dedication to keeping you informed about the latest developments. In this rapidly shifting landscape of electric vehicles, at ElectroDrive News, we're committed to providing you with in-depth analysis and expert insights on the most pressing stories in the EV world.